You have the sense of openness in this space. Ang ganda no, napaka-aliwalas in this area. And by the way, your cove ceiling with your chandelier already installed. We are here in La Vista, Quezon City to show you this modern industrial tropical home. Let's begin our tour. You have your automated gate for your 4-vehicle carport. And as we enter dito sa inyong pedestrian gate, you have your porch, 3 steps up, your main door with your viewing panels. And by the way, this property is facing east. So ang liwanag ng inyong receiving area coming from your viewing panels. You are also covered by canopy in this space. Your 4-vehicle carport. Another entrance going directly to your foyer. The room for your male or female staff quarters. An access going to your service area para mas madali mag-organize ng inyong canned goods or fresh goods. Another space going directly to your pool. And by the way, you also have your laundry in that space. And going back here, tingnan muna natin yung inyong front yard and side garden. By the way, for the landscape garden, turf grass yung ginamit. And your plants. On the left side of the property, you have your setback for around 2 or 2.5 meters. Luwag in this space. You can also notice on the left side of the property, tall windows, fixed windows, so lots of natural light doon sa inyong receiving, your living, your dining, and your kitchen area. Few steps, your WPC flooring up to the swimming pool area. And tara, pasok tayo, and welcome to your home. So from your main door, ito yung secondary entrance nyo coming from your 4-vehicle carport. And your powder room. By the way, this is a smart home, so you can control the system of this property through your Siri or Alexa. So in this space, ito yung inyong receiving area. Fronting dito sa inyong sliding door with an access going to your side garden. And you can also notice lots of natural light in this space coming from your fixed window facing east dito sa facade ng property. And by the way, for the flooring, Italian tiles, high gloss finish. Few steps, ito yung inyong living area. Again, lots of natural light coming from your fixed window and sliding door dito sa ibaba. You have the sense of openness in this space. Ang ganda no, napaka-aliwalas in this area. And by the way, your cove ceiling with your chandelier already installed. Adjacent is your dining space. And you already have an idea for your 10-seater dining table. You have your hanging lights. And adjacent is, again, your sliding door with an access to your lanai going to your backyard pool area. So if you're into alfresco dining with your friends, relatives, this is a perfect spot for them or for that activity. Partially covered by your canopy from your second floor with your solid Nara ceiling. So for the flooring in this space, wood plastic composite, your lap pool, and your turf grass. So you have this additional space in this area. Napakaganda, no? Aliwalas. And by the way, I'd like to highlight this particular feature. You have your bedroom 1 located here dito sa ground floor. So if you have elderlies with you, they can conveniently use this if ayaw nilang gumamit ng stairs or simply maximize this area as your guest room by the pool. And going back here, tingnan naman natin yung main kitchen. By the way, if you're interested in this property, call us to the number below. So this is your main kitchen area with your L-shape and island counter for your breakfast nook. Lots of food preparation space for our counter, marble finish, and we also have these modular cabinets for your storage. Your integrated appliances, induction cook hob, and your microwave oven. Your sink, location of your refrigerator, and by the way, you have your walk-in pantry para mas madali mag-organize ng inyong canned goods or dry goods. Split type AC, and your auxiliary kitchen. But currently, may tao sa loob. So lots of natural light in this area coming from your floor to ceiling sliding door. So we're done here dito sa ground floor. Akit naman tayo sa itaas. For the stairs, we have this solid narrow wood planks with metal frame. Kaya napakaganda, no? Industrial vibe yung space na ito. Ang ganda rin ng kanilang solid narrow for the handrails and your tempered glass balustrades. And by the way, in this space, we have this accent wall which is Venetian plaster ang tawag. Glossy yet matte yung texture in this space. Ang ganda nung pagka-finish nitong area na ito. Here's the second floor. We have 4 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each. And you can also notice for the flooring, we have this engineered wood to the whole second level. Dito tayo sa dulo, you have your bedroom 2. But first, you have your indoor balcony with the commanding view dito sa inyong double height ceiling living area. Lots of natural light coming from that fixed window. So this is your bedroom 2. And if you remember, yung bedroom 1 natin is at by the pool. So you have the idea no, kung gaano kalalaki yung mga ordinary bedrooms here in second floor. Currently, this is currently naka-set up as your gym. And again, walang kasamang gamit in this property. Lahat lang na naka-fix like AC, cabinet, and lighting and speakers. Your storage, your toilet and bath with sauna. You have your bedroom 3, your bedroom 4, and in this space, mapapansin nyo, no, medyo wider itong inyong hallway. Well, pwede kayo maglagay dito ng inyong study area or console table. Lots of natural light coming from your fixed window with a view ng inyong love pool. And of course, your bedroom 5 or your master bedroom, pinakamalaki in terms of bedroom size. You also have your balcony. Spacious itong inyong master bedroom. Pwede pa kayo maglagay dito ng inyong couch with your center table. And of course, your walk-in closet surrounded by these floor-to-ceiling cabinet for your storage. And for the walk-in closet, nakalink ito dito sa inyong toilet and bath. Your dual sink, automated water closet, and your shower space with bathtub with enclosure. That's it for our quick tour. My name is Dean, and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you, and see you next week.